Welcome! Let's dive into the world of how everyday things work and how they're made. Wood screws work by pulling materials together with their spiral threads. The head shape matches the tool for precise tightening. Sharp tips help screws enter wood without splitting it. Rust-resistant materials like stainless steel make screws durable for all kinds of weather. From building furniture to holding homes together, screws are everywhere. It all starts with metal rods cut into small pieces called blanks. A thread rolling machine carves precise spirals into the blanks. Next, machines press the tops into different shapes for various tools. Tips are sharpened and screws are coated to prevent rust. Finally, they're tested, packed, and ready to hold your world together. Paint gets its beautiful colors from pigments mixed into liquid binders. Binders help the paint stick to walls, furniture, and more. Solvents keep paint liquid, then evaporate as it dries. Paint also protects surfaces from damage, like moisture and UV rays. Water-based paint is easy to clean, while oil-based paint is super durable. The journey begins with pigments, ground into fine powder for color. Binders and solvents are added to create the perfect texture. Next, filters remove impurities to make paint smooth and clean. Scientists ensure the colors are consistent and vibrant. Finally, the paint is canned, sealed, and ready to transform your walls. Central vacuums pull dust through powerful suction motors. Hidden pipes carry debris to a central collection unit. Filters inside the unit trap dust, keeping the air fresh. With the motor far away, central vacuums are super quiet and easy to use. They're perfect for homes, offices, and even large buildings. Durable plastic and metal parts are created for the vacuum system. Pipes are cut and tested to ensure they're strong and efficient. Filters are made from materials that capture even the tiniest dust. The motor, pipes, and filters come together to create the vacuum. Finally, they're tested, packed, and ready to clean your space. Wireless mouse pads charge devices using electromagnetic fields. The pad's hidden coil generates energy. The mouse absorbs energy through its receiver coil, powering it up. The pad charges the mouse continuously while you work or play. It can even charge your phone and other gadgets. The base is crafted from durable, non-slip rubber. Copper wire is wound into a coil to transmit energy. Circuits regulate power flow to keep devices safe. Every pad is tested to ensure flawless charging performance. Now it's ready to power your devices effortlessly. Hemp fabric starts as strong, eco-friendly fibers. These fibers are spun and woven into durable fabric. Hemp fabric resists mold, UV rays, and wear. From clothes to furniture, hemp is a versatile material. Hemp grows fast, needs little water, and avoids pesticides. Hemp plants are harvested when fully grown. The stalks are soaked to separate the strong fibers. Fibers are cleaned, spun into threads, and dyed beautifully. Every piece of fabric is inspected for strength and quality. Fun fact, hemp was used in ancient sails and ropes, ending like, subscribe and discover more.